The for loop. The for loop executes a simple or compound statement for a fixed number of times, that is, looping a set of instructions for a specified number of times. For loop first initializes the counter variable once. Then it checks the range. If within range, it executes the statement within for loop and then increments or decrements the counter variable as specified by step underscore size. The syntax of the for statement is given below. The range function is an inbuilt function in Python. This function generates a sequence of numbers. A sequence is a succession of values bound together by a single name. The range function is generally used in the for loop to iterate over the sequence of numbers. The general syntax of using the range function is given below. Range, start, stop, step underscore size. The start specifies the starting point for generating numbers. By default, it starts from 0. The stop specifies the position up to which the numbers are to be generated. Last number is not included. The step underscore size specifies the increment or decrement. By default, the value of the step underscore size is equal to 1 and numbers are generated with an increment of 1. However, we can generate numbers by specifying the value of step underscore size according to our requirement. Range, start, stop. It generates a set of whole numbers starting from start to stop 1. Example, range into parenthesis 3, 9 is equivalent to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in square brackets. Range, stop generates a set of whole numbers starting from 0 to stop 1. Example, range 6 is equivalent to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The start and step underscore size values are optional in the application of range function and they can be omitted.
Example 6. To print odd numbers till 10 using start, stop and step values of a range function. Program. Output. Example 7. To print a selected range of numbers with start and stop values. Program. Output.